Everyone thinks you need thousands of dollars to win in crypto. But what if I told you that in 2025, some of the smartest investors are starting with just $50 a month and still making real profits? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what no one's talking about. See, the flashy crypto videos on social media always show Lamborghinis, million-dollar screenshots, and charts going vertical. But behind all that noise, there's a quiet group of investors doing something completely different, slow, consistent, and surprisingly effective. And the strategy they're using, it's working right now in 2025. It starts with one simple mindset shift. Stop timing the market. Start owning it. Because let's be honest, crypto in 2025 is unpredictable. Bitcoin jumps 10% one day and crashes the next. Altcoins explode overnight and vanish just as fast. Trying to predict every move isn't investing anymore. It's gambling. That's why one method has quietly outperformed 90% of traders over the last few years. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Here's how it works. You pick one or two strong crypto projects, coins with real utility and long-term potential, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Then instead of dropping a lump sum, you invest just $50 a month, consistently no matter what the market's doing. When prices drop, your $50 buys more. When prices rise, it buys less. Over time, this builds a powerful average cost that smooths out the volatility and eliminates emotion. And the results are real. A 2025 CoinMarketCap Insights report showed that DCA investors into Bitcoin over the last 5 years outperformed most traders by nearly 60%, simply because they didn't panic sell or chase pumps. But here's where it gets even more interesting. People aren't just DCAing manually anymore. They're automating it. Platforms like Binance Auto Invest, Coinbase Recurring Buys, and Crypto.com. Earn let you set automatic purchases every week or month. You can literally invest in your sleep. No timing, no guessing, no stress. And the smartest investors? They're combining DCA with staking and rewards farming. Here's what that looks like. You invest $50 a month into Ethereum and then stake it on platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool, earning 3%, 5% annually. It's not a get-rich-quick move, but it's powerful. Because every time your staked ETH earns rewards, those rewards get reinvested. After a year, your $600 in contributions begins generating passive income, compounding quietly in the background. Now imagine leveling that up. Some investors pair DCA with AI-powered portfolio tools like Shrimpy, CoinStats, or Kubera. These apps track your performance, analyze your assets, and even recommend adjustments based on market data. So you're not just buying regularly, you're optimizing intelligently. And yes, mistakes still happen. People panic during dips, chase meme coins, or overtrade because of FOMO. But the quiet investors, the ones sticking to their 50-a-month plan, they're the ones building actual wealth. Let's do the math. If you invest $50 a month into Bitcoin and it averages just a modest 10% annual growth, in 5 years that's roughly $3,800 from only $3,000 invested. Now add staking or diversify across a few assets, and that snowball starts growing faster, year after year. But what truly sets this strategy apart in 2025 is data access. Thanks to AI analytics and blockchain transparency, small investors now have the same insights hedge funds use. You can track whale movements, see real-time sentiment, and monitor on-chain activity, all from free dashboards like Glassnode, CoinGlass, or Santiment. The 50-a-month strategy isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. Because crypto isn't about timing peaks. It's about surviving crashes. While others are burning cash on hype coins and risky leverage trades, this method builds wealth quietly, automatically, and sustainably. In crypto, consistency always beats luck. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start investing, stop. Start small. Set up your recurring buy, pick your coins wisely, and let time, not emotion, do the work. Because the real winners of 2025 aren't the ones flexing on social media. They're the ones quietly stacking $50 every month, letting math and patience do the talking.